Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Fine? In the last period, we had learned how to create different kinds of decorative trees, right? Fine. Now, today, the next shape which we are going to learn is the shape of sun. If you have seen the drawings, decorative drawings, you may have observed that some of the things were common in all drawings, and those were tree, sun, house, birds, right? These all things. So after tree, we have to learn the next shape, and that is of a sun. Okay. So I will be teaching you two types of suns. Here I have drawn 6 boxes. In place of 6, you have to draw only 4 boxes. Two type of suns I will be teaching you, while two type of suns you will have to do on your own. So we begin. First step is, in the index write today's date. Thereafter write drawing of sun, or you can just write the shape of sun or anything. Clear? Then draw 4 boxes. So first type of sun which we are learning, in that you have to draw a circle. Now I request you not to use the rounder to draw a circle. We have done the practice of drawing different kinds of lines, right? Different type of curves. So you should be able to draw a circle on your own. So that you have to do. Another thing I am reminding you just now is, in the first lecture I had made you draw different types of lines. Now those lines were not just to be drawn and forgotten, but keep a practice every alternate days. Keep on doing that type of lines in your rough book. Don't waste the pages of your drawing fair book, that is this plain book, but keep on doing the practice of those types of lines in your rough book, last year's rough book or something like that way you can use. Fine. So to draw this sun, we have drawn a circle. Inside circle we have made a double line. If you remember, in the trees also, to make it look decorative, beautiful decorative drawing, we used to do 2 lines, double line, right? So same thing we have done here. Now if you had observed the decorative shape of a sun, then you may have seen that sun also was having eyes and nose and everything. That is like a human face it was. The shape of a decorative sun is having the shape of human face. So how to do the human face? First draw a center line in the center, but very light, because you have to rub it, vertical line on which you will draw the nose and lips. Okay, simple, very soft, with the end of with the help of very soft hand you draw the line, because we need to rub it, and one horizontal line to draw the eyebrows. Thereafter start doing the drawing of eyebrows and eyes. Just observe how to draw the eyes. If you try to copy the thing from this, then it's difficult. You have to learn how to draw it on your own. And eyes are also half closed, right? If you draw the full eye, then it will look horrible. So just half closed eyes. Then we can do a chandla. Okay. Now how to draw nose? Most of them find it very difficult to draw the nose. Here it's made easy, very simple, one straight line and then like this way. Lips. I suggest you one thing. Instead of drawing the lips here in the face, lips as well as eyes, you do one more thing, that in your rough book first learn how to draw the shape of the eye. Learn it twice, thrice, or 4 or 5, 6, 7, 8 times. You should be able to do it, and then you do it here. So here you don't need to use the eraser. Same way about the lips also, draw it 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times, so that you get it memorized how to draw the lip. Now obviously sun needs rays, so like the leaves, okay, in the shape of the leaf you have to draw the rays of the sun. One more idea I give you. Before drawing the leaves, you can draw like this way, U type of shapes, and then complete it with the full leaf shape. Then it will be easy and you will not make any mistake in that. Fine. Then you can fill it up with the shape of the leaf. So like this way, the leaves rays will get over. Then you can give a texture in all the rays, so it will look beautiful. Now next type of sun. Again, the shape of sun, we will do it in circular shape. It's not necessary to do this shape of circle, but then too we will do it in circular shape. Single circle and double circle. Then eyes are common, so I am doing fast forward. Little bit difference in the eyes, just observe. Here half closed eyes are there, here full eyes are there. So both the ways you can do. So here you just learn how to do the full eyes. Then tilak we have changed. Nose shape remains the same. Here we will just not do the moustache, so it looks different. Fine, clear? Next. Again rays. Now here we will make the rays in the shape of fire or flame type of thing. Those rays which we had done in the first sun was in the shape of leaf. Well, here you can see the shape is different. Here again we use the common technique that before drawing the whole ray, we just take the measurement like U shape, or we go on doing this brackets type of thing, and then we extend it in the form of rays. You can see like this way, rays. Now inside the rays, and the first sun we had done jalebi shape or say circles, while here we repeat the shape of the same rays but in smaller size. Like this way we go on repeating the shape. A beautiful sun will get ready. So these are the two types of suns which I wanted to teach you in this video. Rest two types of suns you have to do it on your own. One more thing I would like to tell you is, some of the students are doing the drawing along with me whenever I upload the video. Some of them are lazy ones. Some of them think that I will do it later on, right? So I suggest them that do the work in time, because I will continue my teaching work in the next period or next video lecture. I will be teaching you still harder shapes. These are easy shapes. The harder shapes will be of birds like peacock, swan, and then the shapes of different animals such as deer. Okay, so it will be easy for you, it will be harder for you. So continue doing whatever I am teaching in this video. Do it along with me, then you will be able to do the thing. Another thing, whatever drawings are given in the textbook, you don't have to copy it directly. You have to just answer that question. For example, the question is compose a picture with the help of sun, tree and house. Then you have to arrange the shapes on your own. So it's necessary to learn all these shapes. Now we learn the shape of the house. So the shape of the house is very simple. Okay. Now I am going to teach you three types of houses. The first house is very simple. That is, you have to just draw A, alphabet A type of shape, or reverse V shape you have to draw, and then extend the two lines, again slanting line, three vertical lines. It's very simple. The shape of the house is very simple. You are not doing it for the first time. So like this way you have to draw the house. If you observe, the three lines are parallel to each other. See the line of the roof. 1, 2 and 3 lines are parallel to each other. Then you can darken the shape. Then you can draw one window or two window on any of the side wall. I have drawn it on the right hand side wall. You can draw it in left hand side also. One side you have to draw door and another side you have to draw the shape of the window. Very simple thing it's. Right. So like this way the house is ready. Now regarding filling the texture in the house. After completing the drawing, you need to fill some texture. So here we will not do anything in the walls, but in the roof we will do the texture of tiles. So first all parallel lines, slanting parallel lines. Okay. In Gujarati it is known as Naliya. Then you have to draw a zigzag line. You have to go on doing zigzag line. So you can see how easily within 2 or 3 minutes the drawing of the house is ready. You have to memorize this thing. Fine. Now we do the second type of house. Now here we are doing the same shape of the house, but using curved lines. There is no difference. If you observe, everything is the same, but curved lines we are using. But see, one thing, if you notice, the upper curved line is parallel to the lower curved line in this thing, roof, as well as bottom part. So window also. So like this way, with the help of curved lines also, you can create beautiful shape of a house. House shape also we have changed. Now we give some texture in the wall to make it look different than the previous house which we have done. Both the sides of the walls we do the same texture. Thereafter, the tiles in the roof. Here we do different type of tiles, or naliya in Gujarati we say, in curved shape, cylindrical shape. Here we are also going to do shading in the this thing, roof. You just observe which type of shading could be done. Without shading, the house is not looking good at all. You can see it's looking odd. previous first house is looking good, but this house is not looking so good. So just see, this type of shading you can add to give the cylindrical effect. Fine, so this house is ready now. Now the third kind of house, which is easier than both the houses that we are going to do just now. You can call it a house, or even if you are asked to draw the shape of a hut. Okay, then in hut also you can repeat the same house which I am going to teach you, that is the third one. These both houses we were showing both the sides walls, right? Three-dimensional type. And the third house which we are going to do, in that we are going to do only one wall. So first, in all the house or hut, we do the triangular shape, but lower line we give a cow. Just see. Now see, in the roof I am going to teach you two things. Suppose if you want to draw the grassy effect, if you want to give in the roof, then you can give this effect. And if you want to give texture, you can also give texture. Okay, both the ways, both the thing looks good. Now I will teach you how to do texture, what type of texture you can do in the house, in the roof of the house. Texture will look more beautiful, you can see. First I will do two parallel lines, curved parallel lines. Then in the first portion we will do this shape, old type of shape, or the shape of the leaf. Second part, little bit different shape. Again a leaf type of shape in between. So second thing is also over now. Now last part which is left in the roof, that we will complete. This is looking better than that hay grass, right? Last line, circles. So this way you can create a house very easily and within no time. It takes 3 to 4 minutes to do this type of house. Yeah, we had forgotten to draw the window. Looks like the eyes of the house. Little bit of texture if you want to give in the walls, you can give. If you don't want to give the texture, then fill dark shade inside the door and window. That will also look good. So it's up to you. So here you have to draw 4 type of houses. Three type of houses I have already taught you. Fourth one, you have to use your own imagination, your own creativity, and do the fourth kind of house. So here we complete this video. Thank you.